It's okay, I'll go with him when he paid me.
Did you see it?
Yeah, it's okay. So William, come over.
That might be his lucky peso.
William, I'm cooking food for you, Dad.
It's my lucky peso.
William, I have an idea. Come over. We have a deal for the peso. Here's the idea. Dude, you guys already... Annika is now our prime chef. So basically... I did not consent to this. She wants me to pay her $7 a meal. So my idea is you give us $7.10 a week, and we'll save up the 10 cents, and then we'll, if you need any money, I'll give you back the money you
deal. I spent way more than $7 on the ingredients and stuff, little bro.
Well, you don't spend any money because you use Dad's Apple Pay.
No.
Get a job.
I make zero profit.
Get a job. See,
I'm not getting a job. I'm cooking food for you.
You're earning money because you didn't originally get paid. But now, this deal is now you are getting paid.
I guarantee. I'm not that. Okay.
You're guaranteed pay.
I don't want to guarantee pay.
This happened after you educate the kids with math. They can understand how to calculate.
But Annika, you already broken the Geneva Convention in an act of war against the country.
You want to fight?
You're
Let's
talking-
throw hands.
This is
talking
legal
politics, too.
territory on Dad's foot of property.
Okay, come here.
I now how to declare you.
I'm fighting you.
Wait,
Like the military leader doing nothing. I'm sorry.
Even my dog's attacking you.
I'm sorry. I surrender. You can't attack me. I surrender.
Go away.
It's not a war. You can't attack me.
Tiana, let's go.
Annika, you can't attack people that surrender.
Yeah, I can.
That's passing the word. Now you're not. Now you're equal to
hey,
the
use the new word.
Germany.
Use the new word audacity.